Dress up your cupcakes. Ideal for holiday candy and nuts too. Suits every celebration. Mini size, 1.25 in diameter. 350 count package. How you decorate your desserts says a lot about who you are. From creating special occasion cakes to decorating cupcakes with your kids, Wilton has the tools, accessories and toppings you need to make each one a sweet work of art. We've got ready-to-use buttercream, decorating bags, piping tips and a variety of icing colors to help bring your treats to life. We've also got ready-to-use fondant, rollers with guide rings, cutout sets and impression mats, gum paste, edible food color sprays and powders, sprinkles and icing decorations, to name just a few. Use any or all of these decorating essentials to build on your current skills or learn something new. With this much variety, there's no limit to what you can do when you decorate. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect size, go kids party. Perfect size for a kids party. One bite. Perfect for samples. I love it.